What's up, guys, and welcome one more time here to my channel. I'm Casquinha Crypto, and today we're gonna talk a little bit about what if you have invested $1,000 in crypto, Bitcoins, in Hex. How much money would you have made? And the opportunities that still there, especially in times like now, bear markets. So maybe if you want to make some incredible gains, you need to look for opportunities and see in crypto maybe that chance, that opportunity. It all goes to the, do you believe in crypto and the blockchain technology? Are you in this space to make money? How do you see and find those opportunities? There's a lot of FUDs now. This time of bear market, it's very crucial in order to create new crypto millionaires, right? Anyway, before we start the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and become part of the family here. 78% of the people who are coming back to my videos are not subscribed to the channel, and it's very important for me that you subscribe. Like this, you help the channel, you help me to grow. I just passed the mark of 1,000 subscribed. Hey, thank you very much. But I still need to do 4,000 hours in order to start monetize the channel. And like that, of course, will help me a lot. Anyway, so I'm not editing this video, so I'm gonna leave the video as it is. So we can go straight. Let me open here. My internet's a bit slow today, but let's go here. The first thing I would like to share with you is some fun fact. First fun fact: if you invested $1,000 in Bitcoins 10 years ago, you would have $3,428,000 today. Yeah, I know that's crazy. What were you doing 10 years ago? 10 years ago, if I just knew it and I believed and understood Bitcoins or crypto in general, you would have been millionaire investing $1,000. And that's how crazy it is. Those things does not happen in other sort of investments, but it's still possible in crypto. It's still possible. And you might say, I'm not early anymore to Bitcoins. Of course, you're not early for Bitcoins at 10 cents when it launched, when Satoshi hold all the coins. But maybe you are early if Bitcoin will reach $250,000. If Bitcoin one day go to $1 million, or maybe it's too early. It's today it's 23,000, 22,000, right? I'm not saying for you to remember that nothing is financial advice, and I'm not telling you to go and buy Bitcoins. Maybe Bitcoin is not even more interesting because it's already at the S curve, and probably will not do 100x from now. But still, imagine the potential there is out there, and invest and eventually have a Bitcoins. Why not if you can, right? So it's everything. It goes down to what you would expect and which kind of assets you believe in, which kind of asset you see doing that kind of investment. You invest at $1,000 and you get to $3 million in 10 years. That's crazy. That's crazy. You know what I mean? Another fun fact for the Hexcan, people like the Hex token. Well, if you invested $1,000 in Hex on December 19, when Hex was 0.3027, and you hold to the all-time high of 50 cents, you would have made 1,850,000. This is, I think this is in 19 months. 19 months. And again, those things only happens in crypto, guys. That's the power. That's what I would like to show you here. Is the power and the possibilities of crypto right? And the power of holds. Remember, Bitcoin, if you have hold Bitcoins for 10 years, investing $1,000 10 years ago, you would have, today you would be a millionaire. Okay? The same to Hex, in 2 years, in 19 months, if you have invested $1,000, you would be a millionaire. You would have 1,850,000 if you just hold. And it's not like you invest $1,000 now and you will need that thousand. That's why we always say, make sure you invest the money you are willing to lose. Put the money there in projects that you believe that can get you there, and hold, okay? That's what's going to happen. I mean, if we see here, Hex did a 1,850x in 19 months. I don't know. We don't know if that's what's going to happen, right? But if happens, okay, the potential, and that's the importance of you studying projects and understanding where you're investing your money in order for you to see the possibilities of that asset, so that project, project A, project B, give you an exponentially amount of gains. Okay, let's look now in cryptocurrency prices 1 year ago. And the reason why I did this, so you can see, this is 1 year ago. The one in white, it's 1 year ago, and the one in greens are priced today. And the one in yellows are priced today. The greens are, you would be in profit even after 1 year. So Bitcoin 1 year ago was 39,406 1 year ago. Today, Bitcoin's at $21,128. Do you see this as an opportunity? Or do you see this, no, Bitcoin is never going to go back up again? And again, goes back to projects that you believe, projects that you think, this can actually give me some money. Okay, so that's what you need to see. Look, Ethereum, it's at 2,233 1 year ago. Exactly today, 26th of July, 2021. To 26th of July, 2022, Bitcoin, Ethereum is at 1,422. VeChain, 0.07 cents 1 year ago, and today it's 0.02 cents. Remember, this is not the all-time high. Remember, this is before it reached the all-time high of those assets. Matic at $1 1 year ago, and today 75 cents. Solana was $28, and today is at $35. So if you had invested Solana a year ago, today you would still be in profit. Although Solana went to, I don't remember, 250, something like this. Dogecoin, 20 cents a year ago, and today it's 6 cents. AVAX, $11.49, and today $20.65. Shiba Inu, 506, and today is a 401. ADA, Cardano, 125, and today 0.47. CRO, which is the crypto.com token, native token, was 11 cents then, it's 11 cents today. And remember, not including the all-time high here, I think went up to 80 something, 8 cents. BNB, 304, today 243. XRP, 62 cents and 33 cents today. Remember the XRP, there is the lawsuit that needs to be solved there. People believe when that's solved, and then price probably will go up. Tron, 0.5 cents, and today at 0.6 cents. Hex at 0.12 cents 1 year ago, and today at 0.4 cents. So when you see this here, guys, what do you see? Do you see opportunities? Maybe this is an opportunity of a lifetime. And why I say this? Because if Bitcoin goes down to what the majority of the people believe, which is around 12 to 10K, We will see of all those prices here going even lower. We will see Ethereum maybe dropping to 500 to 600. We maybe see VeChain going below at cents. Matic dropping to 15, 20, 30 cents. Solana dropping to 10, $15. Doge. Guys, and this is an opportunity of a lifetime. And the reason why I say this is because if it goes back, if and a big if, because we don't know the project, it's high risk. Any sort of investment, it's high risk. But and that's the importance of studying the assets, studying the protocols, studying the projects that are out there. Even with Bitcoins or Ethereum or Hex, we need to see the projects within the long term. So if you get Hex now at 4 cents and goes back to the all-time high, which I believe that will outperform the all-time high, will pass that, how much money can you make? If and when I say if, is because nothing is certain, right? You should always willing invest only the money that you are willing to lose. Of course, do not sell your house or don't get in debts in order to buy assets. It doesn't work like this. Guys, and I tell you, I always invest the money of my coffee, the money of me going out. I don't go out. I take all that money I was going to go out and I invest it here. But you need to see, you need to measure always the pros and the contras, okay? But if we look at those numbers and by tracking history, understand what happened in the past, by holding the tokens, it's what gives us, wait, there is something here. There is something here that maybe, just maybe, I can become the next crypto millionaire. And don't go out telling everybody, going crazy. No, study, get into the communities, understanding the project, and make sure you really understand where you are putting your hard-earned money. Above all, it's your money. At the end of the day, if you lose, you're losing your money. That's why don't just take my word for it. Don't take any YouTuber, crypto YouTuber words for it. Your friend, no, you do your homework in order to understand those numbers and see if Bitcoins drop to 12K, maybe this is an opportunity here. If Ethereum dropped, at the moment it's at 1,400, but if it drops to 500-600, maybe it's an opportunity here. If Hex drop even more, if Bitcoins drop to 12K and Hex drop to 1-2 cents or even less, well, maybe there's an opportunity here. But it's how you perceive it. It's how you understand the market. Remember, the first investment you do is in yourself. And the more you understand, the more knowledge you have in the projects that you want to invest your money, better will be your decision make when time comes to take the decision. And yes, if there is a strong possibility of you invest $1,000 now on the bear market, and maybe, just maybe, within a couple of years, you'll be millionaire. And the reason why I say this is because only in crypto, those numbers are possible. It will happen to you. I don't know. It's going to happen to me. I don't know. I'm not a millionaire yet. And I use the word yet because I believe in the blockchain technology and I believe in crypto. And I strongly believe on my homework. I do my homework in order to get. You might get wrecked? Maybe. Like Luna, for example. Like Celsius. So be careful with centralized entities. Be careful with centralized protocols, platforms. Remember, not your key, not your money. But still, we need to add some, you need to get some money into the exchange, put a little bit, maybe. But be careful to leave money in exchange because if they go bankrupt, you are screwed. So you don't want to get that. So you need to be careful, but you need to see the pros and the contras, measure the possibilities, see where could you get within a couple of years of holding the token. Because I invested $1,000 and I didn't get nothing, because maybe you were just trading and losing money, believing you were winning money. So that's the importance of study, understanding, and where you're gonna put your investment. Okay, I hope this video give you some clarification and help you to, or inspired you in order to understand these opportunities, understanding opportunities within the crypto space. If you liked, if you believe this video will help other people as well, please do share, because sharing is caring. And like this, like I said in the beginning, you definitely will help me a lot, especially if you leave a comment. Interaction on the videos, engagement helps the YouTube to understand that people like my content, and they will share my content to other people as well. Okay, so before you go, on the way out, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Ciao.